Hello chess lovers, I have a very short and impressive game for you played by Sanchez and Soto in 1948 in Mexico. Sanchez started with d4 and knight f6 by Soto, bishop g5, white goes for Trompowsky attack, d5, knight c3, c5, d takes c5 and the d pawn marches forward, d4, bishop takes f6, e takes f6, knight e4. Now black is developing the bishop with a tempo, and of course whites understand that sooner or later he's going to lose this pawn on c5 and plays knight d6 check, bishop takes d6, c takes d6, queen takes d6, knight f3, knight c6, protecting the pawn on d4, c3, and black castles queenside. A bit risky but a very aggressive decision by black. C takes d4, after which black is gaining a huge advantage. Well, actually capturing on d4 with a knight would have been better, and after the exchange on d4 this is going to be equal. But instead, after castling queenside, we see c takes d4, which is weakening this e1 a5 diagonal too much. Here comes queen b4 check, queen d2, and a very powerful decision by Soto. Knight takes d4, sacrificing the queen on b4 square, but of course the queen can't be touched because of this knight c2 checkmate. Let's go back. After knight d4 we see rook c1 check and a powerful blow by black, knight c2 check, both covering the king and also giving a check and also attacking the white queen on d2. Rook takes c2 check and another powerful move, bishop takes c2, again sacrificing the queen on b4 square. Actually this unprotected queen is just demoralizing white's army by pinning the queen on d2 square. Also the rook is attacking the queen on d2. According to the engine the best move is g3, but after rook takes d2 it's over. After bishop takes c2, but we see queen takes b4 in the game, and believe it or not, but after rook d1 this is a checkmate. Yes, chess is a dangerous game, one can receive mate in it. What a game. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions don't hesitate to leave your comments. Good luck.